Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, in this video I want to make you clear that we are providing the exam preparation MCQs guys. The exam preparation MCQs, the super savings pack. So here you will get PDF access in a Google Drive link guys. So here you will get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs guys. 295 plus previous year MCQs. So the price will be just 500 rupees only guys. That too up to 5 members can access guys. If one person take with 500 rupees, then up to 5 members can use the same 295 plus MCQs PDFs guys. So the topic coverage will be very much high. It will touch all the week syllabus guys. So such option is also available. You can easily search any question you want, and it is also easy to revise guys. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected these solutions guys. So this is the email ID you have to mail me, bk179417@gmail.com. So if you mail me to this email ID, I will tell you the procedure for the payment. After receiving the payment, we will send you the PDF links via the same email ID guys. So you have to provide that. So only if you want to purchase, then only mail me to this email ID guys. For any other doubts, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. So you will get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs for the less price of 500 rupees. That too up to 5 members can use the same PDF. So if you share the 500 rupees for 5 members, per each person it will be just 100. But if you want to take this pack, you have to purchase with definitely 500 rupees guys. Up to 5 members access will be given guys. So the topic coverage is also very high, and such option is also available, and it is also easy to revise. So you'll get a PDF access guys in a mail. So this is the mail ID guys, bk179417. I will give the same email ID in the description box also guys. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected these solutions. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this, and please share this news with your friends and classmates guys, so that you can form a group of 5 members or 2 to 5 members, or if you are one person also, no problem guys, you can purchase this. So if you are 2 to 5 persons, it will be better for you to reduce the individual price, right? So up to 5 members, the access will be provided for 500 rupee payment guys. So that's it guys. So keep supporting us like this. So all the best for all of you guys who are writing the exam. So all the best. So don't forget to take this 295 plus MCQs pack. You'll get better preparation ahead of the final exam guys. So that's it guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.